So officially day 3 in Mount Abu. Today we will be moving out of here and going to Udaipur. It would be a road trip of around 3 hours. So we'll just leave. We have got freshened up. We'll have a breakfast in Mount Abu itself and then leave for our road trip. And let's explore Udaipur today. So without further much talking, let's get into the video.
फाइबर होता है उसमें कलर मिक्स
हाँ हाँ हाँ
किसी के जल्द होता है वो काम डेली उसको यूज करना। महाराणा प्रताप के साथ भील लोग थे ना, वो उन्हीं के वंश थे। तो ये सब जड़ी बूटी उनको जानकारी कौन सा काम था। बड़ा सस्ता मतलब लोगों ने खुलवाया इधर कम, बहुत कम। अभी तो जो हाईवे निकला ना तो 8 बजे 8:30 ऐसे निकल गई। हाईवे नहीं था उसके बाद 6 बजे कोई निकल नहीं सकता।
अच्छा अभी 8:30 9 तक
हाँ
चलता है,
चल जाता है। वो कभी कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो ये नहीं।
लेकिन रात में नहीं। पर ट्रक वाले क्या करते हैं?
ट्रक वाले भी कम चलते हैं, बहुत है ही नहीं, ट्रैफिक ही नहीं।
We have finally reached Udaipur and we have come to visit the first sightseeing spot known as Saheliyon ki Bariyan, and it seems to be a very beautiful place. So let's go and explore it. The entry ticket fee is around 20 rupees. So let's explore it.
इस गार्डन ये स्पेशली जो है क्वीन और प्रिंसेस के लिए बनवाया गया। और पहले के टाइम में यहाँ राजस्थान में क्या होता था कि क्वींस जो होती थी वो पर्दे में रहती थी, घूंघट में रहती थी। तो सिटी पैलेस का डिस्टेंस जो है यहाँ से 3 किलोमीटर है। तो वहाँ पे क्वींस जो है पूरा दिन घूंघट में रहती थी। तो उस समय के जो किंग थे संग्राम सिंह सेकेंड, और उनका रूलिंग पीरियड यहाँ पे उदयपुर में 1710 to 1724 ईयर्स के लिए बुकिंग बने। फाउंटेन्स आप विजिट करेंगे, एवरी सिंगल फाउंटेन जो है 300 ईयर पहले से चल रहा है विदाउट एनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मोटर पंप। पीछे में जो है एक लेक है फतेह सागर, आप लोग विजिट करके आए हो तो 1.5 किलोमीटर बैक साइड है इसके। और उसका हाइट इस गार्डन इस तरह से रखते हैं तो पीछे आपको रेन फॉरेस्ट जैसा फील आता है। और जैसे अगर आप अपोजिट घूम जाते हैं इस तरफ तो वाटरफॉल का फील आता है। इसका नाम है कमल तलाई, लोटस लेक। पहले इनसाइड में सारे लोटस होते थे इसके अंदर, लेकिन अभी जो है वो सारा वाटर लिली है। वाटर लिली एक ऐसा प्लांट है जो 12 मंथ ग्रीन रहता है और उसमें पर्टिकुलर कोई सीजन नहीं है फ्लावर की, 12 मंथ इसमें फ्लावर आता है। रानियों के लिए रानियाँ आती थी स्पेशल, और पूरा दिन एक्टिविटी की थी। स्विमिंग भी करते थे, यहाँ एक स्विमिंग पूल है तो उसमें स्विमिंग भी करते थे, गेम्स वगैरह भी खेलते थे यहाँ पे।
Upon reaching the Fateh Sagar Lake, there are like two options. One is the motorboat and the other one was the speedboat. Motorboat costed around 89 rupees per person, whereas the speedboat was around 236 per person. But the catch over here was that for motorboat you at least require 16 people, which is like quite beneficial in case of seasonal period. But as we were we had been there during the non-season period, there weren't much tourists, so it did not make sense to wait for other people to gather, because most of them were opting for speedboat. So my one recommendation would be, if you are going into the non-seasonal periods, you should definitely go for the speedboat. It's a bit pricey, but you will be saving on time. Fateh Sagar Lake trip, we came to Bapu Bazaar as we were like very keen to buy pure cotton kurtis and the famous jewelry in Rajasthan. So we had just come to explore this place, and then we thought of having some tea, but we could not find much places over there, so we just explored the market. Unfortunately, we couldn't find anything, and then we reached our hotel. at our resort, which is in Udaipur. It's on the outskirts of Udaipur, so we'll shortly check in into our rooms and I'll give you a room tour of the same. And we were welcomed by this drink, which was like really delicious and refreshing. So yes, without further much talking, let's get into the video. We reached our room and we have checked into 214 room number. And as we enter, on the right hand side is the washroom area, and we have a full size mirror with us, which is my favorite. And as we enter into this is the basin area with a really beautiful mirror, and here comes the pot area, and here's the shower area basically, and this is the shampoo, conditioner and the shower gel, which is like amazing, and the lighting is like really great. And as we come out of this washroom area, there is a space sufficient area where you can keep your luggage and all. And apart from this, we have the wardrobe area, which has a locker, and it has like 2 compartments so that we can keep more stuffs into it. And here comes the complimentary tea section area. There are like really coffee and tea powder available, and below this is the mini bar. So this was it for the starting, and here comes the main part of the room. Udaipur has that palatial effect attached to it, which is like lovely. You can really live a life like a king. And here is the view, which is like extremely beautiful. I really love the aesthetics of this room, and ये तबाही मचने से पहले मैंने सोच लिया कि चलो रूम टूर कैप्चर कर लेते हैं. So this was it for the room tour. I am really loving the room. Interesting thing about this room was that there was a brochure which is named as Roomnasium, wherein it's your in-room gymnasium, and they have provided some basic exercises to maintain a healthy body, and which might take around 4 to 5 minutes hardly, and it would be a good stretch to go. Just have a look at it. Just a minute. Let's look at these. These are the very basic exercises one can do without any equipments and can be active throughout the day, and it's a great initiative by this hotel, and I'm really loving it. So as I took you through the room tour of this property in Udaipur, it was like really amazing. We have booked 2 rooms. One room is for my mom and dad, and the other one is for me and my brother. So today was a really fun and exciting day. It started with having a wholesome breakfast, and then we had a 3 hours road journey from Mount Abu to Udaipur. Honestly speaking, we were not really happy with the property in Mount Abu. The room service was not up to the mark. The property was not really great. We were facing a lot of issues over there. So we were like totally disappointed, क्योंकि वो हो क्या जाता है कि अगर आपकी ट्रिप के स्टार्टिंग में ही ऐसा कुछ होने लगे तो you are like totally disheartened, and it feels like अरे क्यों ही आए, because vacations are for rejuvenation, refreshment. So we were like very disheartened, but वो बोलता है ना, never lose hope. तो वो वाला सीन हमारे साथ हुआ, एंड वी आर नाउ इन उदयपुर. इट फील्स लाइक रियली ग्रेट टू बी इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी. प्लस वील बी we today visited Fateh Sagar Lake and Saheli ki some garden, which was like really nice. We had hired a guide for like 200 rupees. Actually the costing was around 250, but we negotiated and requested him to agree to 200 rupees. So he took us through the Saheli ka garden and all, and he explained us the significance of each and every point, which was like really insightful. And वो हिस्ट्री में हम पढ़ते थे ना कि जेन्युइनली उस टाइम के लोग का प्यार ही अलग था, एंड दे लिव्ड लाइक अ किंग. एंड वो पता नहीं, वो ज़माने का ही कुछ अलग ही था. एंड वी are actually extremely blessed to be able to witness what kind of life they lived. And पहले क्या होता था, हम बस राजा और रानी की stories and उनका lifestyle पढ़ते थे, but coming to Rajasthan you can experience that, and it feels really great to be living like a king or a queen. So yes, this was it for today. post now I'll get freshened up because you know हम लोग ने पहले सोचा था कि we'll come check into our room, get freshened up and then go for sightseeing, but that did not happen because this property is on the outskirts, and usually what happens is I have only 2 days in Udaipur, so we thought of not wasting a single hour into just getting freshened up and all these petty things. So we thought of directly diving into the sightseeing and then checking into the room. So we'll be relaxing and exploring the property maybe, and have our dinner and maybe go to sleep because it was a very tiresome journey. So yeah, that was it for the video. If something happens or if I am able to vlog, I'll definitely vlog it and add it in this vlog. So yes, maybe I'll see you tomorrow, or maybe I'll capture, so I'm not really sure of what I'll be doing. So yes, see you tomorrow. After contemplating for a longer time, we thought of exploring the property because we had missed out on a few things. And then here comes the restaurant area. There was a buffet as well as an a la carte option, but we did not opt for any because we had a really nice evening snack. And then there was like a chai pe charcha wala thing going on, so we thought of attending that session, but before that we again explored the gaming zone and the property, which was like really great. And now you can see the chai pe charcha wala program ahead.
Oh.